I was sitting, doing nothing, and decided to take a walk. As I walked, my eyes drifted down. Just as I placed my foot on the ground, I realized I had stepped on hundreds of ants. It felt like I had caused a small genocide, unintentionally. And that's when a strange thought hit me. How many lives do we take every day without even knowing? Life itself is a mysterious thing. It can take any shape, from a 30-ton whale in the ocean to a tiny invisible bacterium living inside our body. Every living being survives by consuming another form of life. It's an endless cycle, creation and destruction, perfectly balanced. We all follow a routine. We eat, drink, walk, breathe, clean ourselves, live. But each of these simple, harmless actions hides a silent cost. When we walk, scientists estimate we crush or disturb 10 to 100 insects every day. Ants, beetles, or tiny life forms we never even notice. That alone adds up to over 2 million insects in one lifetime. When we drive, our car becomes a flying weapon to the smallest creatures. At just 10,000 kilometers of driving, about 50,000 insects die on your windshield and bumper. Now imagine that over a 70-year life, roughly 300,000 kilometers. You're responsible for nearly 1.5 million insect deaths from driving alone. When we shower, the water we wash off carries away millions of skin microbes, all of which die instantly after leaving the body. Each breath we take draws in thousands of airborne bacteria, most of which perish inside our lungs. Even as we sleep, our skin sheds about 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every minute. And every one of those cells once hosted living microbes. And beneath every step, hidden in a single handful of soil, there are billions of microscopic organisms like nematodes, mites, and bacteria. A single footprint can destroy hundreds or even thousands of them. Inside us, life and death never stop. The human body holds around 100 trillion microorganisms, constantly dying and regenerating every single day. In just 1 year, your body silently kills and replaces hundreds of trillions of tiny lives, and you never notice. If you're lucky enough to live 70 years, you will have unintentionally ended an estimated 3 to 5 trillion individual lives, from insects to microbes, without even trying. Yes, that's a hard truth to accept, even for vegetarians, but you can't escape it. This is the system designed by Mother Nature herself. We live because another life dies. Imagine if humans were immortal, if death never existed. This world would collapse under its own weight. Death is not the end. It's the beginning of new life. One dies, another flourishes. That's how the balance of nature stays alive.